Well, everyone, you guys already know what time it is. I got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy S20. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Comparisons are going to start tomorrow, and it's going to be a wonderful, beautiful day. I'm going to actually turn up the ISO real quick. There we go, much better. It's actually probably over bright, but we're going to go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Now, one thing I already have a complaint with, Samsung for some reason uses FedEx, and I really hope they don't. I've had nothing but bad experiences with FedEx for every phone I've ever had delivered, so hopefully they can fix that. And another Samsung problem is the packaging is always stuck to the top of the box. I don't know why they constantly do this. I feel like I'm already in a cranky mood. I'm gonna go ahead and, fill myself down and make myself feel better, and I'll come back. Okay, so it's been about 4 days now, and taking the S20 out of the box, it's so weird saying S20 because I was so used to saying the other word S10, and to get it out of the box is a little weird, so I'm gonna have to use a knife to get it out. No, I'm not. Oh, they have a little flap tag right here. Dude, this unboxing is going so bad. And here's the S20 right here in its wholesome glory. Weirdly enough, if you can see right there, which is not easy to see, but there's a little bubble in my actual glass screen protector, which is really funny. Hopefully that goes out, but I guess we'll see what else is in the box. And as you can see, pumping it open, we have a little, I guess, like a little paper tag thing, if he cares about that. You have the fast charger in the box, which is really, really nice, as well as the charging cable, black USB, which is nice, as well as some USB Type-C headphones, which is really cool. These are AKG ones. I'm glad they still keep these in the box. These are actually not that bad. I've worn through my last ones with the S10 quite well. I think the S10 had them. Some phone had them. I think the S10 Plus or something. And I still use them. But the things with these ones is that for some reason they don't fit in my ear that well. So I use them when I work out and just like beater headphones. But other than that, I don't really use them that often. But that really pretty much covers up the unboxing experience. Let me go and turn this bad boy on and let's go and see what this thing's rocking with. And I don't know if I was... Oh no, this is the power button. Okay. There we go. This thing's powering on. As you can see, this is the 5G variant. I think in the US you can only buy the 5G variants. And now just giving you guys a little bit of a screen size comparison, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 on the right, and you can see that it is pretty much the same exact size for the most part. The thickness is about the same as well, but actually if I'm being honest, this one just seems like a little bit sleeker in a way, and they both almost feel the same, but this one just feels a little bit sleeker. Maybe it's just me being weird, and I don't know why they automatically turn this on, but looking around it, I mean, it looks pretty good as you can see from the side. Definitely this one looks like the more premium one for sure. It looks very, very good. On the bottom, you can see the headphone jack on the S10, but no headphone jack on the S20 anymore. We just have that USB Type-C port. I'm going to go ahead and actually peel this plastic off. For all you weirdos out there that like hearing that. On the side, you can see power buttons, and actually the power buttons are moved to the right now on the S20. I didn't know that. Where in the S10, we only had that power button right there. But on the side of the S20, there's nothing here. And honestly, I don't know how I feel about that because I like having my volume buttons on the opposite side because I know where the power button is. And it's weird because on the S20, if you're going from an S20 to an S10, where you're usually clicking the power button at, that's now the new volume button. So I don't know why they did that. That seems like an unnecessary change, but that's what they did. So there's really nothing we can do about it. But in terms of the way they feel in the hand, they feel almost exactly the same. I have a Galaxy S10e right here, which I think is dead. Yeah, it's dead. But you can see the size difference here as well. It's a little bit smaller, so it's like about the same thickness. On the back, you can see the differences that we're rocking with, and definitely for sure, I like how the S20 is. A lot of people didn't like that camera that it came with now, but for me, for right now, I think it seems fine. I mean, I don't really have any issues with it per se. I just dropped it for the first time, but I can definitely see how some people might not like it. It seems like almost the same thing as my 11 Pro for the most part. I mean, it's just a little bit sleeker, but it seems like almost the same thing at the end of the day. So I'm going to go through the setup really quickly. It should only take like 2 or 3 seconds. I'm just literally going to skip everything. And so far, I mean, it seems like a very fast phone. I mean, I don't really know what else to say for the most part. I mean, this is my first time using it. And they still use the old Samsung light things. And actually, the screen protector seems like to be the weirdest thing just because of that. I will tell you that display has totally thrown me off. I forgot that it had that whatever 120 Hz refresh rate display, and I don't know if it's on right now. If it's not on, I'll be even more surprised because it seems like a very smooth display. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Motion smoothness. So this is at 60 Hz. I can't believe that was 60 Hz. I literally felt faster. So you can tell I fake all my reactions in this just based off that. So let's go ahead and turn it to the high refresh rate. Let's click apply. Okay, so now it's on the refresh rate. Okay, so that was nice. And that's so smooth. That's so crazy. I cannot wait till all displays are like that. Now, Samsung did say that this will actually eventually turn into 120 Hz at 1440p. Right now, we're at 1080p, which I honestly don't care. I think a lot of people put too much emphasis on it. It's really not that big of a deal at the end of the day. But I think that little 120 Hz refresh rate thing is so sweet. That's literally one of my favorite things ever. Now, if you're getting a Galaxy S20, what I will tell you right off the bat, go into display, go down into navigation bar, and then turn your navigation off. This should be on One UI 2. And as you can see, you have that whole display now. So go here and here and actually turn off gesture hints as well. And that whole thing will go away. And you pretty much have that whole entire display. So Honestly, right out the gate, my first impressions, I think it's really nice. That display really threw me off. I can't believe I thought it was 120 hertz first, but it really wasn't. But I can tell you this phone is going to be crazy. I can't wait to use it and compare it. I was a little cranky in the beginning of this unboxing, but towards the end of it, dude, I think I'm really excited for this thing for sure. So that really pretty much covers it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys would check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.